In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a coupon code on Amazon. Having a coupon code on Amazon is usually very simple. The main thing to know is that the exact wording and placement can look a little different depending on whether you are using the Amazon website on a computer or the mobile app on your phone. Even so, the process is basically the same, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. To begin, browse Amazon and find the item you want to buy. When you are ready, select Add to Cart. This places the product in your shopping cart so you can move on to checkout. If you are buying more than one item, make sure everything you want is in the cart before continuing. That can help you confirm that the coupon is being applied to the correct order total. Next, open your cart. On a desktop, you will usually find the cart icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the app, it is commonly located near the bottom. Once you are in the cart, review your items briefly to make sure everything looks correct. Then select Proceed to Checkout. If Amazon asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your account before moving forward. This is a normal part of the checkout process, especially if your session is expired or you have not signed in yet. Now you are ready to enter the coupon or promo code. On the checkout page, look for the section labeled Gift Cards and Promotional Codes if you are on desktop. If you are using the mobile app, you may see Add Gift Card or Promo Code. Tap or click into that field, then carefully type your code exactly as it appears. It is a good idea to double-check for any extra spaces or typing mistakes, since even a small error can keep the code from working. After entering the code, select Apply. Amazon should then process the code and update your order summary. If the code is valid, you will see the discount reflected in the total. This is the best time to confirm that the promotion has been accepted before you finish the purchase. Once the discount appears, complete the rest of your checkout as usual. Choose your payment method, confirm your shipping details, and then select Place your order. That covers everything you need to know.